Good morning to everyone, student. Here we are going to see some of the questions from chapter number 6 from your workbook. So here we are having question number 21, that is page number 46. Okay, and before that question number 20 is there, that is a prime factorization method. You have to find the square root by a prime factorization method. That question already been done by us. So moving toward the question number 21, what is said in this question? For each of the following number, write the smallest whole number by which it should be divided to get a perfect square. Also write the square root of the squares number so obtained. So here we have to find the smallest number. So how to find the smallest number? So as you know that how to find the factors, the number 9408. This number is there. We had found factors of these numbers. Whole together factors. In the previous video also I had to explain you how to find the factors. So here directly we have found the factors, and what are those factors is being written inside the square root, because we have to find a perfect square root. That's right. Okay. Now looking toward that, you can see that here 2 is having pair, this 2 is having pair, this 2 is having pair, 7 is having pair, but this 3. Okay, this 3 does not have any pair, isn't it? If it does not have any one of the factors of the number 9406, if it does not have a pair, it means that 9408 is not a perfect square, isn't it? If it is not a perfect square, we have to make it a perfect square. So in order to make it a perfect square, we want the smallest whole number that should be divided by 9408 to make it a perfect square. So that smallest number will be the unpaired number which is obtained over here. So देखो यहाँ पर ये जो 3 है, 3 एक ऐसा फैक्टर है, जब हमने 9408 का फैक्टर निकाला तो 3 एक ऐसा नंबर निकला जिसका पेयर नहीं है. सो पेयर नहीं होने के कारण हम ये बोल सकते हैं कि 9408 जो है वो परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नहीं है. तो उसको परफेक्ट स्क्वायर बनाने के लिए हमको उसको डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा एक ऐसे स्मॉलेस्ट होल नंबर से, ताकि वो जाकर के परफेक्ट स्क्वायर बनाए. तो ऐसा स्मॉलेस्ट होल नंबर हमको फाइंड करना है. तो वह ऐसा स्मॉलेस्ट होल नंबर क्या होगा? वही नंबर जिसका अनपेयर है. सो दिस नंबर विल बी गोइंग टू बी डिवाइडेड, okay, in order to make it a perfect square. So dividing by both the sides we have to make. So 3 will be divided from the numerator and denominator. This 3 will be divided with 9408. You will get the answer as 3136. Okay. Now while finding the factors of 3106, it will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 7. As we know that finding the square root, we have to make the pair of the two numbers, two same numbers, so that from the square root one of the pair will, one among the two pair, one of the number will come outside. Okay. So here as we can see that the two number, one number 1 2 will come, here also 1 2 will come, here also 1 2 will come, and here 1 7 will come. So 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 is 8, and 8 into 7 is 56. Hence we can say that the square root of the number 3136, the square root of this number is 56. Okay. So which is a perfect square. Moving toward the next question, that is question number 22. So dear student, here many parts is being given, that is B, C, D, E, F. Try to do with your own. Moving toward the 22 question, here it is said that write the numbers of digit in the square root of the following numbers. So it is a very simple one, student. What you have to do is, later on I will tell you. First let's do the 23rd question, because in the 23rd question I had done on the board. So as I told you, 21st question, rest other part the same way you have to do as the first part I had explained over here. Moving toward the question number 3, here the same way we have to do, but instead of dividing we have to do a multiplication. Here in this question we have having a number 72. So 72 का factors निकालेंगे. We had find out the factors of the 72. After finding the factors, it should be written inside the square root notation. So this 2 is the pair, this 3 is the pair, but here you can see that this 2 does not have a pair. If it does not have a pair, that means 72 is not a perfect square. To make the 72 as a perfect square, we have to find the smallest number that should be multiplied. Here in this question number 21 it is divided, but in the question number 23 it is said to multiply. Okay. So that smallest number will be 2. So which will be the smallest number? जो number unpaired रहता है ना, वही smallest whole number होगा, जिससे हम 72 दोनों LHS RHS दोनों साइड को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, जिससे हमको एक परफेक्ट स्क्वायर मिलेगा. So here 72 is divided by 2. 7 is 36. When 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, when it will be divided by 2, among this 1 2 from the numerator and denominator will get cancelled. Here what is left? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, isn't it? So 2 into 3 will be, one of the 2 will come outside among the pair. Here also among the 2 pairs of the 3, one of the 3 will come outside, isn't it? So 2 into 3 will be equals to 6. Hence we can say that root 36, square root of 36 is 6. Hence 36 is a perfect square. Okay. Now come to the question number 22. Let's see what is said in the question number 22. Here in the question number 22 it is said that write the numbers of digit in the square root of the following number. So look how to do it. Look, as how many numbers are there in the question number 22? We are having the first number 1 0 2 0 1. This is the number. In the B part 9 2 1 6, and in the C part 1 0 1 0 0 2 5, and in the D part we are having 3 9 9 6 0 0 1. This is the number we are having. You can see that here it is said that write the number of digit in the square root of the following numbers. So here what you have to make a short form. So making the pair of the two numbers starting from the right hand side. Okay. So this is the one pair, this is the two pair, this is the three pair, and the last does not have any pair of the number, so it will be remain as it is. You have to make a bar above that. Okay. बार बनाना है तो दो नंबर का पेयर बनाना है. तो ये हो गया बार 1, बार 2, बार 3 और ये बार 4. ठीक है. कितने इस पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन में इस नंबर पे कितने बार्स लगे हैं, और जो पेयरिंग होगा है ना वो दो नंबर का पेयरिंग होगा, और उसको हमेशा राइट हैंड साइड से स्टार्ट करना है. तो ये 1 बार 2 बार 3 बार और 4 बार. तो इसका सॉल्यूशन 4 बार आया, 4 बार, isn't it? So the solution, so the answer will be 4 digits. Okay, in the same way 1 bar 2 bar, so 2 bar is coming, isn't it? 2 bar will come, that means the answer will be 2 digits. Then similarly for the C part, how many bar? 1 bar, 2 bar, 3 bar and the 4 bar. So 4 bars are there, that means 4 digit number will its square will be. In the same way 1 bar, 2 bar, 3 bar and 4 bar. So again the answer will be 4 bar is equals to 4 digits. 4 digit, 3 digit, 2 digit, इसका मतलब क्या हो गया? इसका मतलब ये है कि जब हम इन नंबर्स का स्क्वायर रूट फाइंड करेंगे, है ना, इन सब नंबर्स का स्क्वायर रूट फाइंड करेंगे तो जो आंसर आएगा, जैसे ये नंबर है हमारे पास, है ना, 36 एक नंबर है. 36 में कितना बार लगेगा? 36 में एक ही बार लगेगा क्योंकि दो नंबर है ना, तो उसका पेयर कितना होगा? जो आंसर आएगा, अगर हमने रूट 36 का इस 36 का स्क्वायर रूट निकाला है तो आंसर में 1 डिजिट आया है. तो वही चीज़ बोल रहा है कि अगर हम इन नंबर्स का स्क्वायर रूट निकालते हैं तो आंसर में कितना डिजिट आएगा. तो कितना डिजिट आएगा वो पता करने के लिए क्या करेंगे, हमने शॉर्ट फॉर्म निकाल लिया बार बनाने का. तो जितने नंबर ऑफ बार्स रहेंगे उतने नंबर्स ऑफ डिजिट रहेंगे. लेकिन याद रखिएगा आपको राइट हैंड साइड से दो पेयर्स का बार में डालना है, तब जाकर. क्लियर? नाउ here we had completed question number 21, 22 and 23. Now moving towards the question number 24. Here in the question number 24 it is said that to find it by a long division method. We have to find the square root by long division method. So look how to find it by long division method. Okay. Question number 24. A part. A part I will do. Rest of the part you have to do with your own. So the number we are having 7,921. As I had explained you many times about the long division method in the NCERT book solutions. So in the same way you have to do. First rule is to make the pair from right hand side of the two numbers. Okay, so you have to think of a number that should be multiplied with itself to bring a such a number. It should be smaller than number. So as we know that 7 into 7 it will be becomes how much? It will be 49. 8 into 8 it will be how much? 8 into 8 it will be 64. And because 9 into 9 is how much? 9 into 9 is 81, which is a greater number. So we are going to take here 8 into 8 will be 64. Then subtract the number. Here you will get 5. Here you will get as 1. Okay. Now these two numbers together comes at the down of the next step. So here 8 plus 8 is equals to 8 plus 8 will be equals to 16. Now 16 will be multiplied by which number in order to bring 1521. So that number will be 9. Okay, 9 9s are 81, 8 carry, 9 here it will be 54, then a 54 plus 8 50 62, and the number will become 152, isn't it, as it is coming as 9. So here when you are subtracting the number like this, the answer will come. So this is the solutions. Therefore we can say that the square root of 7921 is 81. When you are going to multiply 81 into 81, the answer will come as 7921. मतलब 7921 का जो स्क्वायर रूट है उसका वैल्यू कितना है, 89 है. Similarly B part में कम, the B part we are having 8281 solution. So 8281 by the long division method you have to do, making the pair of the two numbers. So 9 into 9 it will be 81, isn't it? So subtracting it here 1 will become, taking together this number and down, 9 plus 9 it will become 81. So 81 by the number 80, what should be multiplied to become 101? It will be 1 itself. Subtracting that number you will get the required answer, that 8281, the square root will be equals to 91. So in this way you have to do the solutions for all the parts. Clear? C, D, E, F, try to do with your own. It's a very simple long division method. Moving towards the next question, we are having question number 25. It is said that solve the following, find the least numbers. Here the question is solve the following. That means A, B, C parts are there. Find the least number of 6 digit which is a perfect square. So least number we have to find out the perfect square. So here let us find out. 25th question A part, we are having the number So this is the list number. We are going to find the factors of this number. Okay, as here we can see that the number ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, isn't it? So 1 lakh is there in this number. It is a 6 digit number. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now we have to find the factors. Either you can find it by a prime factorization method or find it by a long division method. It will become the same answer. So here while finding a perfect square we can see that the factors, इस number का जब हम factors निकालेंगे 1 0 0 0 1 2 3 4 5, तो इसके factors निकलेंगे 5 0 0, then again 2 5 0 0, then again 2 1 2 5 0, then again 2, here it will take 5, so 6 2 5, then again 5 125, again 5, that is 25, again 5 2 5 and 5 5. Now here you can see that the pairs of the numbers is, that means it is asked to find the square root of the numbers, isn't it? So all the pairs we are going to write inside the numbers. So here 2. So 2 into 2 will be the first pair, into 2 into 2 will be the second pair, isn't it? Now 5 into 5 will be the third pair, again 5 into 5 will be the third pair. Now we can see that here no numbers, no factor is there which is an unpaired. यहाँ पर ऐसा कोई factor नहीं है जिसका unpaired नहीं है. That means ये जो number 6 smallest 6 digit number है वो क्या है आपका? This smallest 6 digit number is a perfect square, isn't it? Thus this smallest is a perfect square because it has pairs of its factors. Okay, so we can see that therefore 1 2 3 4 5 6, okay, is the 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. So 2 into 2 4, 4 into 25 is 1000. So this is the square root's answer. 100, sorry, not 1000. 4 into 25 will be 100. So this लैक्स, 1 lakhs का जो स्क्वायर रूट होगा वो कितना होगा 100, ठीक है। सो मूविंग टुवर्ड द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज द बी पार्ट, फाइंड द ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर ऑफ 4 digit that must be find the greatest number of 4 digit which is a perfect square. So greatest number 4 digit is how much? Greatest number 4 digit is 999. This is 9999. This is the question number 25th B part, isn't it? This is the greatest 4 digit numbers. इसका factors निकालना है. Factors चाहे आप चाहो तो इसका प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन से निकाल लो, या प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन से नहीं निकालेंगे तो लॉन्ग डिवीजन से निकालो, ओके। लॉन्ग डिवीजन से निकालोगे या प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन से निकालोगे, उसका स्क्वायर रूट का आंसर आ जाएगा, ठीक है, समझ आया। सो दिस क्वेश्चन नंबर 25 इज सेम एज द बी पार्ट इज सेम एज द क्वेश्चन नंबर 25 ए पार्ट। आप जो 9999 है, क्योंकि ग्रेटेस्ट व्हाट इज आस्क्ड बाय greatest 25 it is asked na B part, 9999 is there, isn't it? So इस नंबर का फैक्टर्स निकालोगे, तो फैक्टर्स निकालने के बाद आपको पता चल जाएगा कि ये परफेक्ट स्क्वायर है कि नहीं है। फैक्टर्स आप इजीली निकाल सकते हैं उसका, ठीक है। 3 से मल्टीप्लाई 3 का फैक्टर्स में ये नंबर आएगा तो 3 से निकाल लेना, और उसके बाद उसका पेयरिंग करना, ठीक है। पेयर से पता चल जाएगा कि उसका स्क्वायर रूट निकलता है कि नहीं। अगर पेयर बचता है तो वो परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नहीं होगा, अगर पेयर नहीं बचता है तो वो परफेक्ट स्क्वायर होगा। सो दिस क्वेश्चन ट्राई टू बी क्लियर। नाउ मूविंग टुवर्ड द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, वी आर हैविंग व्हाट लीस्ट नंबर शुड बी एडेड विद 594 टू मेक अ सम परफेक्ट स्क्वायर। सो फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन नंबर 25 सी पार्ट, द नंबर 594 we are having. So first we are going to find the square root of this number, okay. So we can see that by the long division method, 2 into 2 it will be 4, here it will be 194. So 2 plus 2 it will be equals to 4, by which number this 4 will be multiplied to bring that number 176, that will be 4. So here you can see that while subtraction 80 is the remainder. This is the question, isn't it? 80 remainder आया, 24 क्वेश्चन आया, मतलब ये therefore 594 is not a perfect square. It is not a perfect square. We have to make it a perfect square. It is not a perfect square. To make it a perfect square, we have to add a number. So what that number will be added to make it a perfect square? क्यों added? Because here in the question it is said that added, okay, added word है। So देखो ये 24 है, तो 24 plus 1 कर देंगे 24, since we can say that since 24 square of 24 is less than 594. Why it is less than 524? तो इसका स्क्वायर जो होगा वो ग्रेटर होगा 594 से, 594 का जो स्क्वायर होगा वो इसके स्क्वायर से लेस होगा। सो हियर वी कैन से दैट, sorry, this greater sign, a greater sign will come, student. So here 625 आएगा, here 592 आएगा, यहाँ पर 576। तो देखो अगर ये नंबर होता है, इसका जो क्वोशिएंट निकला है उसमें हम देखते हैं जब इसका स्क्वायर रूट निकालते हैं तो 576 आ रहा है, जो कि इस नंबर से छोटा है। और ये भी देखते हैं अगर उसमें प्लस 1 कर देते हैं, 24 में प्लस 1 कर दें 25 आएगा, तो 25 का स्क्वायर कितना होगा? स्क्वायर मतलब वो 25 इंटू 25 होगा, तो 625। तो 625 जो इस नंबर से बड़ा हो गया, देयरफॉर 25 the whole square minus 502. So here 625 minus 500 and 592. Okay. When this number will be multiplied, the answer will get as 30. So hence, thus 33 is added to 592 to make it a perfect square. Okay, so therefore 592 plus 333. So here इसका परफेक्ट स्क्वायर क्या होगा, 625 का आंसर हो जाएगा आपका, क्या हो जाएगा आंसर 25 हो जाएगा, ठीक है। This is the answer. Clear? So dear student, here we had completed our lesson number 6 from the workbook. This is your workbook. From this workbook, chapter number 6, that is square and square root, is completed. Next we will going to do the chapter number